Hello student, welcome you back in this physics video, and in today's video we are going to learn about the uses of echo. In our previous video we had this echo means a repetition of the sound. So where we are going to use this echo, so let us know about these different examples. So very first that which is over here, it is regarding to that bat. Okay, so this bat that she catches her prey during the night time. Now she is taking the help of this echo method. Okay, so she produces a sound. So this sound goes toward that obstacle or that prey, and after striking back from this prey, this sound that are once again received by that bat. Okay, so in this way that this bat is going to estimate that of size. So first thing, she estimate about the size of the object, and second thing that the distance of the object. Okay, so what thing that she has used to know the size and distance. Okay, so she has used this echo method, and that sound which is produced by her, so that was ultrasound. So ultrasound meant to say that the sound which is more than this frequency of 20 kilohertz. Okay, so that sound, it is said to be ultrasound. Now the next example is over there, that is of dolphin. Okay, so these dolphins, they are also going to take the help of this echo. Okay, so they are also going to have that ultrasound signals, and these signals, they are going toward that the group of the fish, and we can say that obstacle which comes in their path, and after the striking back from these obstacle, they are once again received by these dolphin. So dolphin have very sensitive ear, so thus she is able to detect the prey as well. So with the help of this echo method, dolphin also catches their prey. The next application that we can know over here, it is sonar. Sonar mean to say over there sound navigation and ranging. Sound navigation and ranging means to say कि जिसमें क्या किया जाता है, साउंड सिग्नल जो है वो सेंड किए जाते हैं, और फिर जो रिफ्लेक्टेड साउंड है वो रिसीव की जाएगी, एंड दस वी आर एबल टू नो द position of that object. Okay, so therefore this is said to be sound navigation and ranging. So over here where we are using this sonar, so sonar is used to find out the depth of the sea water, or either that of sea. Okay, so jo second thing over there, that it is schools of fish. So fishermen are going to use this sonar method to catch their fishes, and second, next over there, to find out the position of under the water, these submarines. Okay, so this submarine can also know about the position of the other submarine which is under the water. Here we can see that these submarine, they are under the water, so they sense the signal, and these signal that are reflected back by that object which is coming in its path. Okay, so thus these signal are received back by that submarine, so thus she is able to know about the distance at which this object is from them. Okay, similarly over there, this that of sonar. So sonar, what it uses to know the positions, or to find out the depth school on that schools of fish, submarine, or either soils of rock or sand. Okay, so that it is using over there ultrasound. Okay, so ultrasound, why this ultrasound is used? So ultrasound mean to say over there that sound whose frequency is more than 20 kilohertz. Okay, so why this ultrasound is preferred? Because it can penetrate long. ओके, तो ये क्या कर सकता है, पानी के अंदर बहुत जो दूर तक ये जो अल्ट्रासाउंड है वो ट्रैवल कर सकती है. बट इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट ऑफ इंफ्रासाउंड, सो इट कैन नॉट ट्रैवल टू अ लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस इन द water. Okay. Now why this ultrasound it can penetrate का मतलब होता है पास कर जाना, ठीक है। तो जो हमारे पास अल्ट्रासाउंड है वो लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस क्यों ट्रैवल कर लेती है, बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी एंड शॉर्ट वेव लेंथ, ठीक है। सो नेक्स्ट देयर दैट द बेनिफिट ऑफ यूजिंग दिस अल्ट्रासाउंड दैट इट विल नॉट बी कंफ्यूज्ड विद इंजन नॉइस, ठीक है। मतलब कि हमारे पास जो अल्ट्रासाउंड है और जो इंजन की नॉइस है ना, ये दोनों ओवरलैप भी नहीं करती। नाउ व्हाई दे डू नॉट ओवरलैप, बिकॉज दैट जो अल्ट्रासाउंड है, ठीक है, इट इज़ नॉट ऑडिबल टू अस, okay, because ultrasound is not audible, but that sound which the engine will produce, it is audible sound. So thus there is no confusion between that engine noise and this ultrasound. Okay, so therefore we are preferring over there this ultrasound for this sonar method. Okay, so here we can see that this sonar it is used by that ship. Okay, सो विच इज़ इन द वाटर। तो ये जो शिप है ये हमारे पास पानी के अंदर है, ठीक है। तो इसमें क्या होता है, एक ट्रांसमिटिंग एंड होता है, देयर इज़ वन ट्रांसमिटिंग एंड वाइल द अदर इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ रिसीविंग एंड, ठीक है। तो जो सिग्नल है साउंड अल्ट्रासाउंड जो है वो पहले क्या की जाती है यहाँ पर उस ट्रांसमिटिंग एंड से ये सेंड होती हैं। सो दिस गोज टूवर्ड दैट बॉटम ऑफ द सी, ठीक है। तो ये जो अल्ट्रासाउंड है ये बॉटम ऑफ द सी की तरफ आती हैं एंड आफ्टर बाउंसिंग बैक आफ्टर स्ट्राइकिंग दिस दैट बॉटम दे गोज बैक। Okay, now these reflected sound they are received by the receiver. Okay, so now the timing is noted over here when the signal sent from this transmitter and when they are received back at this position, so that a time is noted. So therefore with the help of this formula which is of speed into time by 2 is equal to that distance. Okay, so we are getting to know that the distance of this or either the depth of that sea, okay, or either that the schools of fish, because this ultrasound can be reflected by that a group of the fish, or either if there is any other hard material, so they will reflect it back. Okay, now how we will come to know that exactly this is reflected back by the bottom of the sea or either by that schools of the fish. Actually, whenever these signals they are going down, these are reflected back by any object. So at the receiving end there is a screen, and on the screen image will be formed. Okay, so therefore and that from which thing these sound signal are going to be reflected back, their image will form at the receiving end. Thus we will come to know its position under the water. Now over here this radar is also going to use echo method. So radar means to say that radio detection and ranging. Okay, so it is going to use the radio wave. Okay, so over here radio wave to detect the position of those object which is in the air, ठीक है। तो हवा के अंदर जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट है उसकी पोजीशन को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए, so this plane or fighter jet they are going to know over there the position above the ground they are. Okay, so this can be taken with the help of that radar. Okay, over here we are having this is that radar antenna which is on the ground, and it is having both a sending and receiving station. Okay, so first it is going to send the signal, so this is the transmitted wave, and that strike back from this object which is in the air. So here it is the plane, and after striking back these sounds that of wave signal they get reflected back. Now this reflected signal are received at this receiving end. Okay, so the time is noted over here between that sending and receiving. So thus we are getting this distance will be c into t by 2 with the help of this formula. So here we said that it is c is that a speed of light. Now why we have used here speed of light? Actually radio wave, so these are electromagnetic wave and which are going to travel with the speed of light. And if we say about of sound, so then sound that it needs medium, so it is the material wave or mechanical wave which needs medium, so which travels with the speed which is less than this speed of light. Okay, so thus there is a difference that when to consider this c or v. Okay, so that's over here. In this video we come to know about the uses of echo. So the basic principle of radar, it is echo. Sonar, it is echo. And that what thing is used in sonar to know the depth, so it is ultrasound. Why it is used? Because of high frequency and short wavelength, it can penetrate long in the water. Okay, so that's all for my today's video. Thank you for watching it.